Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is anoushadn and today I've created this look for you guys. I posted this a few weeks ago on Instagram and I asked you guys if you wanted to see me recreate the look again. So I did it. So if you want to see how to do this, then please keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is my eyebrows, and I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color dark brown. Seriously, I love this, so I thought it would be fun to do a full face video. I haven't done that in a while now. And you know, I started with a new job, so my life is a little crazy. So you know, that's the reason I haven't uploaded as much as I want to. I really want to upload like every week, and then if I can on Wednesday. I'm really working, and now I'm going to prime my face with my BB primer. Oh, my skin is so dry. Oh, it's crazy. So because this is a look with not with much of fallout and everything, I'm going to move on to my foundation, and for this I'm going to use my Milani 2-in-1 foundation in the color 13 Chestnut and my Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. Ooh, it's a little dark, but that's okay. So I wore this look to my brother's birthday. It was on the 5th, and the Saturday we went for a dinner. And I created this look and I really loved it. So I asked you guys on Instagram, you know, if you wanted to see me recreate this look and film it. So that's what I did. And I'm kind of loving the drama on this look. Moving on to concealer. I'm going to conceal my face with the Tarte Tape Shade. You know, everyone is like loving this and I love this too, but with the Makeup Revolution I'm like, I don't know if I still, you know, love this as much as I did. And I'm also going to put this on my eye. It's my base. Okay, and I'm going to set this. For my bronzer, I'm going to use my Bahama Mama from the Balm. So I'm going to use this Morphe palette. It's the 9N palette. So blush palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here. What I lately like to do if I'm going to apply some highlighter is to first set my skin, and when it almost dried out, I will apply my highlighter. So I'm going to set first my skin with the Vitamin E Body Shop Mist. And don't let it dry completely. So when it's almost dried down, you can apply your highlighter. And I'm going to use my Lancome in the color 5 Sparkling Cream. That's what it looks like. I got this all from TJ Maxx and it was only 20 euros. Now I'm going to move on to my eyes. For in my crease I'm going to use the shade 10 Lines from Makeup Geek. It's the one right here. And I'm just applying this in the crease, just to give it some definition. And on my lids Go to apply the color Creme Brulee from Makeup Geek. So I'm going to make my wing with the Sephora colorful eyeliner, the color black. I used on my picture the England eyeliner, but I cannot find it at the moment, so we will have to work with this. So in my waterline I'm going to use my Milani Supreme Kohl Kajal in the color black, or blackest black. Blackest black. And now I'm going to take a shader brush and the smudger in 226 from the Waver collection. It's like a smudging brush, so you can like really smudge out the lower lash line. I'm just going to blend this and make this like really dramatic. Okay, now I'm going to apply some W7 My Wispy lashes and I will be right back. So I applied some lashes. They're on now. Makes the looks like really complete. And for my lips I used the Fenty Beauty glitter balm lip gloss, but I got some new essence. Yeah, but it's liquid lipsticks. I got all shades of them, and I will do a video on that. So next week it will be up. Which color should I do for now, so we can like see what the tea is? I want to do the color 2 Nude is the New Cute. That's kind of cute. Oh, it looks really light in the glass. So this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and so please give it some thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Almost at 500, almost a getaway. Come on, please help me out. So sing with me, hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. I will see you next week, and I will do the Essence lip video. I know it's been a while, and I really love to do like those kind of videos, you know, so you can see how these colors looks on a dark brown skin girl. And if you have like a look you really want to see, let me know, and I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.